Hey kids, welcome back. So here's what's going down today. We are going to disassemble this Technic motorbike so we can reassemble it into the alternate model. Now I don't know if you guys know, but most all of the Technic models have alternate builds, meaning you can build two sets or two models with the same set. So we are going to go ahead and disassemble this one so we can reassemble it into the alternate model. Sometimes it's confusing. I've seen Amazon reviews where people have said that they were upset that they couldn't build both models with the set, but they didn't realize that you had to disassemble the model. You can only build one at a time. So the pieces allow you to build two different sets, two different models. Why do I keep saying sets? Two different models, but you got to use the same pieces or buy two sets. And when I kind of came out of my dark ages and started building Lego sets again, I actually was buying two of each Technic one. That way I can build the alternate model without disassembling the main model. Well, after a while, I start to realize that the alternate models are not that great. To be honest with you, the main model is significantly better than the alternate model, and I still find that to be the case now. So I quit doing that. I just buy one. So when you have this instance, you know, you got your trusty brick separator, but it doesn't fit in there. So I use a pin. An axle. I take a long axle, and we'll actually just push those little pins out. So we're gonna build we'll have to check out our other videos. We're gonna build the B model, as they call it, of this motorbike. And really it's the same, it's a motorcycle. The B model is. It's just a chopper style. The A model is a dirt bike. And this model is from 2010. So I've actually built both of these already. Previously, they've been disassembled and parts have just been sitting in my extra parts bin. But that being said, this is one set where I really like the B model as well. I mean, I like it almost better than the A model. It's cool. You'll have to check out our other videos. We'll do if it's not up while you're watching this one yet, it will be soon. So I'm recording all these in the same day. Just gonna upload them throughout the week. So sit tight. It's gonna be there if it's not there already, but check it out if it's already there. I really do like the chopper motorcycle set. That is the alternate of this one. So I don't know if you can tell, but as I'm disassembling this, I'm going ahead and sorting all the pieces. That way when I do reassemble the alternate model, I will already have a head start with all the pieces sorted. And with Technic sets, it's pretty much a must-do. It's almost impossible to build these sets. I mean, it's not impossible, it will just take you forever. But you really gotta sort these pieces to be able to find them when you're building. Dropped a piece. Now I'm wondering how these panels are gonna do since they're already stickered. How they're gonna look on the alternate model. Hopefully they don't look too out of place. This is one of the sets that when I bought 2 of them. So I do have the pieces to make an unstickered version. And it's kind of one of the reasons why I quit putting a lot of stickers on my sets. It's because if you disassemble them and try to use the pieces for other models, the stickers look funny. They look out of place. But we'll see. Oh, and I don't know if you watched my other video, but I actually had the wrong sloped pieces. A couple other errors that I saw in those videos. You guys will have to watch, check them out. I'll give you a shout out if you can tell me what errors I made. Not errors in the building, but I said some things wrong. I think the build, well, maybe there are errors in the build. Maybe I built it wrong too. I haven't found those out yet. But I did say some things slightly wrong. You'll have to check out the video and see if you can see what I messed up. I've got a lot of videos you guys to check out. We're doing a lot of building, a lot of drop testing. My drop tests are fun. I like doing those. Although drop testing a Technic set is pretty easy to call because the Technic sets are pretty much the most sturdy sets that I know of. The lift arm and pin combination makes these almost indestructible. The only time we see them falling apart is if there's system bricks connected to them, which is not too uncommon, but it's very minimal. So the amount that falls off is minimal. It's taking me a little while to disassemble this just because I'm sorting them as I go. Maybe I should have made this a speed disassemble, time-lapse disassemble. Nah. You guys like to watch this, right? Or else you wouldn't be here. Okay. So I already built this set earlier today. Well, today, albeit when I'm recording this. Like I said, I'm posting these throughout the week, but I'm putting them kind of about where I had the original piles. That way I can find them when I build the other model. pretty quickly. So if you've seen the build already for this one, you'll see a lot of these pieces are in the same spot from the original build. There's not a lot of interesting pieces in this set. This big shock is kind of a unique, not a unique, but a rarer piece, rarer. You see it in the Unimog. It's kind of one of the more recent ones that it's been in. I don't know if it's in the crawler. Let me see. Where's my crawler at? No, it's not the one in the crawler. The crawler has some... No, I take that back. It is the one in the crawler. It's just a different color. It's the yellow one. But you can see right through there, it's got that axle hole right on top. Right there. Can you see it? That's the top of the main shock there. So it is in the crawler. It's not seen on too many sets though. It's a big shock absorber. It is the same one that's in the Unimog too, but the crawler is more recent. The 4x4 crawler. RC crawler. Other than that kind of rare shock absorber piece, everything else is very common in this set. No, I take that back. This panel with the little clip hinge piece there, that's rare. And what else? The wheel and tire. That's kind of rare. Kind of a rare piece. So there's a few rare pieces. But from a set from 2010, so, you know, today's mid-May, depending on when you're watching this video, mid-May of 2014. This is a 4-year-old set. 4-year-old set. 4-year-old set. So the odds of finding some of these pieces, some of the rare pieces, are not very high. I'm not a Bricklink shopper. I've bought a few things on Bricklink, so I couldn't tell you how much these cost. I mean, I could look it up for you and tell you, but I don't want to. I know that's rude of me. I'll let you kids look it up yourself, but maybe you can find them on Bricklink for the price you want to pay for them. Now, I do have, I think 2 or 3 of these motorbikes unopened in the original box, mint condition. I'd sell them for the right price. I've just never been a Lego reseller yet. Well, yet. I probably never will be, because I'm a builder. But towards the end of the run of this set, found some on clearance. So I think it was a $40 set, and I got 3 of them for about $20, $25, somewhere around there. So it was a good. Now I won't sell them for $25. I'll sell them around $40, the original price of them. And since they're discontinued and you can't find them anywhere, it's kind of a steal of a price if you ask me. So if anyone's interested, shoot me a message. I'll hook you up with one or two of them, or all three if you want them. Just got to be the right price. Alright. So we're about 2/3 of the way disassembling this. It's not going too bad. There's just a ton of these bushings and half bushings. It just takes forever to sort them. I'm probably going a little crazy here, piling these pieces up where they belong. It's just going to make it a lot easier to rebuild this. Pull some of these pins out. Haven't needed to use the brick separator yet. The one time I tried, it didn't fit in that one little panel. That was a bummer. But hey, I've been disassembling sets way before there was a brick separator. It's not gonna bother me. Just don't use your teeth, kids. Ruin your Lego. I would know. I was a kid once. I bit many of Legos. I remember when I was young, we just had all of our Lego in a big old container, like a bucket, I guess you would call it. And we would dump it out on the floor and just build stuff randomly. But I would, always constantly be looking for one or two pieces out of that bucket or the pile on the floor. And I'd find one that I was looking for, and I would put it in my mouth and hold it in my mouth while I used my other two hands to shuffle the bricks around to find the other piece I was looking for. I definitely remember that, because I always remembered, I hope I don't swallow this piece that's in my mouth. I never did, but I definitely recommend not putting them in your mouth. Mostly for bite marks. Even though it's a very sturdy plastic, it will still get bite marks on it. Of all the drop tests I've done, I've yet to break any of the pieces or damage them in any way. None of them look any different. Some people freak out when they see the drop tests. They think I'm damaging the product, but believe it or not, it holds up really well. And I've yet to see any type of breaking, bending, warping, anything. The worst damage I've seen on Lego is just leaving it on your windowsill and letting the UV light fade the colors. That's the worst damage. What you kids need to do is get some of those fancy LED lights so you don't get the UV, the ultraviolet light. The ultraviolet will fade and discolor the Lego. Alright, we're almost done. Thanks for watching, everyone, if you've made it this far. I know this is not that exciting, but you know, I just wanted to show everyone how I disassemble stuff and get ready to build the next one. So I really appreciate watching. Really appreciate it. Oh, make sure to subscribe. And I need more subscribers. I think I have 5, 6 subscribers. I don't know. Not that it bothers me, because I still get a bunch of views on my videos. But I think it'd be cool to have more people, you know, get updates whenever I upload new videos and any other random stuff I do on YouTube. So it's not that hard. I'm not asking you to watch every video, but if you like Lego like I do, subscribe. That's pretty much all my channel is Lego videos. Matter of fact, I think that's all it is Lego videos. There's nothing else on it. So there's no surprises there. You get what you get. Alright. Last little piece here. Seems like it doesn't seem like as many pieces as when I started. It's not like I lost any. They can't be anywhere. Alright. There. Like I said, we'll see how these stickered pieces do on the alternate model. I know when I built my other alternate model of this, I actually had this A version already assembled, and I used my second set that I had to build the alternate model, so it went unstickered. So this one will be the stickered version. Alright, that's it. Everything is disassembled, sorted, and ready for assembling the chopper. There it is. So check out my video assembling the chopper. Thanks for watching.